sometimes you're being called, are you a daddy's girl, a papa's girl, or are you a mama's boy?
Hello, everyone.
Welcome to Happy Wife, Happy
Happy
Life. I am Mary Ann Peña.
And I'm Chico. Once again, kami ang inyong mga marriage coaches dito sa Happy Wife, Happy Life.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that bell button so that you will know the updates. Would like to welcome those who are joining us.
Sarah and Jory, Daryl and the Angel. Robilyn, hello. And Mary Carpio. Ben and Elise. Sarah Bien.
King Lucero, kamusta ka? And thank you for spending your Thursday night with us. May katotohanan po ba kapag sinasabi natin na daddy's girl to or mama's boy yan?
Yun ang usapan natin tonight.
Daddy's girl, mama's boy. Lalo na yung mga bagong kasal. Remember, we're in our newlywed series. Ngayong gabi, sige, linawin natin yan.
Meron kaming mga nakita mga quotes. Kasi nga, syempre, again, there's nothing wrong about being a daddy's girl, a mama's boy. For a daughter is someone you laugh with, you dream with, and love with all your heart.
Sa lahat po ng mga nakikinig, if you have a daughter, do you agree with this quote? Someone that you laugh with, you dream with, and love with all your heart. Meron din naman tayong quote para sa mga son. Sabi dito, there is one man I love more than any other. He is my son. Pero ngayon nga, again, we are in our newlywed series, kung ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng mommy's boy and daddy's girl.
Allow them also to, hindi man completely free, but they are starting a life of their own. Dito sa Ephesians 6:2-3, honor your father and mother, for this is the first commandment with a promise. Honoring them is also our way of honoring God. You know what your new responsibilities are.
Yes. At yun ang gusto nating i-discuss tonight.
Number one, settling your own issues involves everything.
Hindi
yung issue mo, it goes beyond the character or pag-uugali. We all need to search our hearts. And then talk to our spouse first. Kung ano man yung meron din kayo, hindi siya palaging automatic tatakbo kay daddy.
Pwede din before, nakasanayan kasi, di ba? Dahil for example, daddy's girl nga, nakatira ka sa poder ng parents mo or father mo or sinong nagpalaki sa'yo, chances are, ang default mo, pag may problema ka, tatakbo ka doon. Understandably, tama naman yon. Pero ngayon, iba na po ang setup natin.
Hindi automatic na takbo agad tayo. Minsan, out of frustration or takot ka agad. Dahil hindi ka nga sanay. Bagong salta ka ngayon sa marriage and then sanay ka na yung mommy daddy mo yung taga-ayos. You have to settle your own issues with your wife or with your husband. Kayo muna mag-usap.
Tama.
But I'll have to discuss this with her. I'll have to tell her everything, details. Pag hindi masisettle yung matter o yung mga bagay-bagay, pag hindi mo rin sinabi lang.
It's about time to settle your own issues and then yung top of mind natin before na, not just call your father or your mother because you have to resolve things together dahil kayo ay may asawa na. Let's move to number 2. Set your own family core values. So when we say set your own family core values, kayo ang gagawa po niyan. It's going to be unique per couple, per family as you progress in this journey called marriage. So tanungin ko kayo, ano ang isang core value na meron kayo that you both agreed upon? Kailangan sabihin talaga kung ano yung nararamdaman at kung ano ang dapat gawin. Kasi the key here is to resolve. What's one core value that you enjoy together? Yung pinag-agrihan ninyong dalawa.
Kumuha ka ng isa, dalawa out of 5 of the core values na meron kayo sa family.
Yung separately, tapos in-adapt nyo. 2 different individuals. The uniqueness in marriage, tapos sama together. So kaya, you discover a lot of things. But you have, again, to set your own core values.
Number 3, see to it. Also, it's part of your responsibility. See to it that you have your own house rules. Hindi naman siya talagang common, pero sometimes nireklamo nila sa in-laws, ganito, ganyan. Binagbabawal natin, no soft drinks, no candy, di ba? No chocolates, no sweets. Paghatid kay Lola, sobrang hyper. hectic, napaka-hyper na nung bata, hindi na makatulog dahil ano ba pinakain dito? Di ba? Dark chocolate. Ano ba yan? Let this not be something to control also your family or to control one another. It may be connected also to number 2,
Tama.
core value. Sige.
Medyo mas deeper lang yung core values.
Oh, medyo magdidetali ka ngayon. Sa
Tama.
core value natin ng love, di ba? Ano ba yung ating
Pag-agrihan. Pero house rules, you start with the easy muna. Meron talagang maganda na as daddy's girl and mama's boy, ito yung na-enjoy namin na house rule. Do you think love, let's say, ihain, di ba? Pagsamahin natin to at i-adapt natin, i-tweak natin maging personal sa atin. Pwede din naman yun. Di ba? In a good way. Importante to.
Alright. Number 4, seek wisdom for your own family's future. What we have been saying when we started, we allow ourselves to be mentored to by others. We need to allow people to speak into our lives. Diba? Seek wisdom for our own family's future. Kasi, yun na nga eh. Tayo, as a husband and wife plus our children ngayon, unique itong pamilya natin. Pero kailangan nating makarinig din sa
Tama. Lalo na yung mga sinasabi nila na experience is the best teacher. Nauna na kami ng matagal na panahon, nagkamali kami sa ganitong area. So, di ba? Huwag mo nang intayin na gayahin pa yon tapos kamali kayo, na-warningan na nga.
Yeah, nga.
Diba? So, seek wisdom kasi talagang marami naman sinasabi even in scriptures about gray hair is a crown of life. So, huwag kayong mahihiya. Pero hindi namin po sinasabi ni Chico na at all times, parang call a friend, call a dad or a mom na lang palagi or an aunt or a lola. Hindi naman. So, kailangan talagang buuin po natin itong ating pagsasama bilang mag-asawa para mas strengthen din siya at mai-apply natin kung ano yung ating pinag-agrihan.
Maliit na bagay, malaking bagay, lahat ng bagay. Think that you are unsure sa area na yun. Like finance, savings, investments.
Emotional aspect. Ito laging pinag-diskusyonan. Let's say work reasons. Let's say yung gusto nyo kasi mas maganda yung healthcare doon. Something like that. So ito yung mga deep things that you really need to talk about regardless if you're a daddy's girl or a mama's boy. This is marriage. Kailangan isa lang ang decision. So you have to seek wisdom.
And then number 5, seal it with a kiss. Kasi ang gusto lang natin sabihin, balikan nyo lang ng balikan yung 1 to 4. And then,
put a stamp.
Just go over and over and over it.
Huwag masyadong magmadali. One step at a time. Slowly lang tayo dito. This is a journey. Mahaba-habang lakbayin pa po ito with the others. So, let's just continue to encourage one another. And again, let's give a fresh meaning of the term daddy's girl and mama's boy. So maybe you can jot down what are the beautiful character traits that you appreciated as a daddy's girl. And then si husband naman na I appreciated it kasi ganito, sabi nila, mama's boy ako kasi like my mother, I'm like this. Let's say masino. Let's say mapagmahal. And then you merge that and then make your own core values as a new family unit na husband and wife.
Bottom line, goal natin is hindi natin kailangan patunayan.
Yes.
If you've been branded as a mama's boy or a daddy's girl, okay, sa totoo lang, there's nothing really wrong about it. Kung na-offend tayo, is siguro dahil tingin ng ibang tao. That's not who we really are.
We have a choice to correct them, exemplify kung ano yung tama.
So yun, kung meron kayong natutunan in tonight's discussion, please go ahead and share this to the couples that families or kahit na isang single person. Kasi nga, pasasaan pa ba yan?
Tama, sa simbahan din ng tuloy.
Sa simbahan ang tuloy niyan, di ba? So, yan.
So again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, especially if you're on YouTube. And also, we're on TikTok and Instagram.
Oo, ay, tsaka pala, maraming salamat dahil by God's grace, nagkakaroon naman tayo ng increase ng mga subscribers.
Please subscribe. Thank you.
Please just let the others know na meron po tayong ganito mga klaseng avenue. Happy wife, happy life. Again, if you need a mentoring or if you have questions, please paki-DM lang po kami.
Yes, you know where to find us.
Mag-ano po kayo, private message kayo sa
DM lang
Facebook.
po kayo.
Or sa Instagram. At we'll see you again next Thursday. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye.
Bye!